Okay, let's talk about the new video widget. So it has had an update recently, and what it basically entails is I'm gonna go ahead and add a new video widget here. And so there's tons of new settings to go along with it now. And so in this video, we'll go over the default layout, and we also have a new slider layout in another video, so stay tuned for that. But this is what the video settings look like now. We have standard video URL, which we've always had, and I believe we had video height, but now we have things like video width, video poster, and so let's just start from the top. We have show title, which it is what it sounds like. It's just going to take the title that we place in this field here, and it's going to place that at the top of the video. We have video URL, and you'll see in my autofill is telling me to use a video I've previously used before. But you can copy and paste into this field, or you can select this option here to link a local file. So this will open up your uploader so that you can choose a file that you've uploaded in the past, or you can upload a brand new one. We also have this other option here for linking a YouTube video. So Cyberschool now has a YouTube search component, which allows you to perform a search just like you would on YouTube. So I could type in like IES Cyberschool, for example, and after 2 seconds of uh, stopped typing, I don't know how else to say that, it'll pull up the videos that are related to my search, just like it would on YouTube. So what we see here is a video option or a video item here. This is the title. This is the channel that it belongs to, the description, and when it was posted. This image here is the video poster. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one here. And notice that the URL gets filled in, but the poster does as well. So this is going to be that IES logo that we saw there. Um, and if I want to change that, I could do the same thing. I could copy and paste into this field here. I could take an image that I've uploaded in the past, or I could use this option to generate a poster. So this generate poster will create a canvas with the video as the content, and it will load the first frame of the video and then paint the poster for that. It doesn't work with YouTube because of how YouTube handles its standards and its policies for video sharing. But if I were to take a video, like a local video, I'll head over to File and I'll do Upload, and I'll place a video. Just drag and drop that here. There we go. And now if I select Generate Poster, that's the first frame. So it saves it, and there we go. And I can confirm this by copying this here, and I'll duplicate my tab and just paste that on the end. And there we go. So this is the poster that's going to be used for this video. And we see the poster whenever the video is, whenever the page loads up and the video is not set to autoplay, like it's waiting, uh, interaction to start playing. We'll see the poster there instead of the first frame of the video, which is basically what's going on there. But if you choose to have this blank, um, well, we have a default setup with just like a gray background and a play button in the middle. So I'll get to the rest of these afterwards. I just want to save this so we can see that. There we go. And the video is playing automatically, although you might have seen that I don't have video autoplay toggled. So the reason that it's playing automatically is because I have video controls turned off. So with video controls turned off, I don't get things like the seek to bar or the pause button, the play button, full screen download, any of that. So I don't have any video controls, which means I have no way to actually get this video to play. So if there's no way to get the video played, then it's no better than just an image. So with video controls turned off, it will automatically play the video one time. And I can turn on things like loop video to keep this video going after it's completed. I can turn on video controls. There's allow full screen as well. And then there's also this default max and default full display. I'll show you these separately, but I'll also explain each one in a little bit. For now, I want to show you that if I shorten the width to like 600 or even shorten the height, we're going to see that actually affect the video itself. Okay, there we go. Now I have video controls. There's a full screen. I can download or increase the playback speed. Um, okay, perfect. So now um, the default max display. So this will set the video to display full screen in the widget. So I have all this blue space on the left and the right hand side. So it's going to take the video and it's going to make it fill this whole widget. So I get essentially a full widget video. And notice that the width and the height disappear. And that's because there's no point in setting those if we're already going to fill this widget up. Okay, there we go. Okay, notice that it did actually increase in size, and this will scale the according to where I place it. So if I take this video and put it in this smaller column, it's going to scale the video down. Okay, so that's the max display. The other one's the full display. So this is going to set the video to display fully on the page. So imagine my entire screen right below my toolbar where my bookmarks are at. My entire screen, all 1920 by 1080. And what we're going to see is that we're going to see the video through the widget. So it's going to be placed behind everything here, and I'm just going to be able to see through the widget. So when I click save, there we go. It's kind of just like a cropped kind of view. So if I want to see this in more detail, or if I want to see more of the video, I can increase the height. There we go. And this is a really handy feature whenever we use the slider layout. Um, and we'll talk about that in the next video. But before I end this video, I just want to bring your attention to captions. So captions are available as well, and we can set those from within the widget itself. So first thing we got to do is enable captions, and we'll just put a caption title. This is the production video, and I'll just say stock video in Cyberschool, and I'll just hit save. And there we go. Production video, stock video in Cyberschool. And I can change where that's displaying at. I could do banner above to have it placed at the top there. Or I could do center. That'll make it centered. Perfect. And the last one is custom. And that allows me to change where and how wide this caption box is. So I'll say like from the right, let's say 80% from the right and 60% from the bottom. So that's going to place this caption box somewhere towards this top left area because it's 80% from the right and 60% from the bottom. So maybe about here. And I'll leave this at 400. Actually, let's make this 300. Hit save. And there we go. And I can increase the width if I need to. Say 600. And it's much wider now. So there is text wrapping as well, and if there is too much content in this area, it will have scrolling features so we can scroll through it. And I believe that is everything. There's a couple things in style like changing the widget title alignment. So whenever we have show title, whenever we have show title, we can have that centered, right or left align. Slide effects. So when we use the slider layout, we can change how it slides from one to the other. Oh, and actually, I forgot. Um, Center. We have things like caption styles. So if we want to change this production video text, make it left aligned or right aligned, change the color, or even make it bold, italicize, or underline. We could do the same thing with the caption text. So I'll make this one a custom color, and I'll make it like a purple. And the background styles as well. So we can make this caption box rounded, we can change the background color for this box, or we can increase the transparency or make this box more see-through by lowering this value here, or increase it all the way and make it a solid box. Okay, and there we go. So we can configure our captions however we'd like. In the slider layout, these caption settings are for each of the slides, and then each of the slides will have its own caption, title, and text. But that's going to be in the next video, and I'll see you there.